Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. Here's the full guide to creating an aviator predictor bot for Telegram in 2025. First, set up a Telegram bot. Search for bot father on Telegram and start chat and use /new bot command. Follow the prompts to name your bot and get the API token. Next, choose a programming platform. Python is the most commonly used language for bot development. Install Python 3.1 Plus and libraries like PyTelegram bot API and requests. Now, build the bot's prediction logic. The bot will analyze aviator game trends with a script to fetch game data using API or pattern recognition. Incorporate basic algorithms to provide predictions and ensure the bot is user-friendly. Host the bot on a cloud platform. Use services like Heroku, AWS, or Python Anywhere to ensure the bot runs 24 by 7. Upload your script and configure the environment variables, including the Telegram API token. First, test the bot. Add it to your Telegram account, ensure it responds to commands, and provide accurate predictions. Enhance its features with analytics or custom user interaction. Thank you for watching How to Web. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides.